Hey everyone, today I'll show you JavaScript projects. They're fun to build and will help you understand JavaScript concepts deeply. These projects are perfect whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your coding skills. Let's dive in. Project 1, Typing Speed Test. First is the typing speed test. Users type a random sentence, and the app tracks words per minute, errors, and accuracy. You'll practice string manipulation, keyboard events, timers, and DOM updates. Add a high-score leaderboard using local storage to make it more engaging. Project 2, Dynamic Drawing App. Next is the Dynamic Drawing App. Users can draw on a canvas using the mouse or touch. You'll learn Canvas API, mouse events, and state management. Enhancements include changing brush color, size, or saving the drawing as an image. Project 3, Quiz Game. Project 3 is a quiz game. Display multiple choice questions, check answers, and track scores. You'll use arrays, objects, event listeners, and DOM manipulation. You can also add timers or difficulty levels for a challenge. Project 4, Weather App. Next is a weather app. Fetch real-time data from an API, like Open Weather Map, and show temperature, conditions, and icons. This project teaches API requests, promises, JSON handling, and dynamic UI updates. You can also change the background depending on the weather. Project 5, Memory/Matching Game. Project 5 is a memory game. Users flip cards to find pairs, while the game tracks moves and time. Practice arrays, loops, conditionals, and DOM updates. Enhancements. Add levels, animations, or sound effects. Project 6, Music Player with Visualizer. Project 6 is a music player with visualizer. Play, pause, skip songs, and see a real-time audio visualization. You'll learn DOM events, audio API, and timing. Add playlists, volume control, or song progress bars for more complexity. Project 7, Expense Tracker. Project 7 is an expense tracker. Users add and remove income or expenses. Learn form handling, arrays, objects, and local storage. Visualize spending with charts to make it interactive. Project 8, Interactive Story. Users make choices that affect the outcome. Practice conditional logic, arrays, objects, and DOM manipulation. Add images, animations, or multiple endings to enhance the experience. Typing effects and animations. Finally, is typing effects and animations. Create a typing text effect on your web page using set timeout, set interval, and loops. This teaches timing, animation, and front-end UI skills. Projects are perfect for building your JavaScript skills and learning core concepts. Start with one project, practice, and gradually move to more advanced ones. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!